Okay, if people ask why I blur in my face, it's not because of the OnlyFans. I have literally blurred my face on social media since 2017, and my Instagram proves that. I don't want to come off as some crazy conspiracy theorist to do with like I don't want to come off as a crazy conspiracy theorist that's scared of like biometrics and stuff like that, but certain jobs that I do, I can't have my face on the internet, or I don't put my face on the internet. And if you actually message me and get to know my actual real Instagram, you will see pictures from 2017 with emojis and stickers over my face. So it's nothing to do with the OnlyFans why I don't have my face on the OnlyFans. To be honest, not putting your face on OnlyFans and blurring it, I think now, unless you've already got a profile to do it, now you can't do it anymore because part of their checks means you need to have an active social media. But if you already have one, it can work to your benefit. You don't need to change it up because it can work to your benefit. It all depends upon the fact of you getting them to allure, you using that sort of not being able to be seen as part of your niche. So yeah, that's why I blur mine. Should you blur yours? Well, now you ain't got a choice. But if you didn't before, if you've already got OnlyFans and you didn't have to sign up via social media, listen, hide your face. Make them feel like you're their personal GF. Make them feel anything. You can be whoever they want. Yeah.